Texas Mattress Makers is a family-owned business that really reaches out and tries to be part of the Houston community. And people say they make a pretty darn good mattress. You can have the best decor in the world at a hotel, but if you have an uncomfortable mattress, that's going to be what they remember.
Mr. Tilman, how are you?
You Yuval?
I am Yuval.
It's a pleasure.
This is my daughter, Rachel.
Hey, Rachel, how are you, darling?
I'm good, how are you?
So how long have you been in business here?
I've been in business for over 30 years. I was born and raised in Israel. I started this business in 1989.
I am Yuval's stepdaughter. I was friends with his niece, and so I begged my mom to go to this Hanukkah party.
Her mother was turning around the block looking for us. She was parked in front of my house. She goes, "Where are you?" I opened the door. I looked at her and I said, "Here, I'm here." She's been yelling at me ever since.
How in the world did you get in the mattress business?
In 1979, I finished my military service. I came here. I needed a job. I went to talk to this guy in living room furniture manufacturing. He said, "Do you want to work?" I said, "Yes, I do." He gave me a push broom. He said, "Push this for the next 3 months."
Talk to me about mattresses for a minute. I mean, I see so many different types.
In this showroom, there are 47 different types of mattresses.
You've got some really big companies that open up on every corner.
Right.
What are you doing that you're able to compete against these giants?
We approach it in a totally different manner. I listen to what your needs are. When you walk in here, I literally fit you into a mattress.
So you're going to tell me all these national brands, they don't know what you know?
I'm telling you exactly that.